We are Mustang Auto Parts, a family-owned business founded in 1982 in sunny Queensland. We specialise in classic Mustang 1964 to 1973 and classic Australian Falcon XR to XB. We stock everything from concourse hardware to rubber weather stripping, right up to whole floor pans and panels. We stock all the parts required to restore your classic Ford to original condition. We are car enthusiasts at heart and passionate about the classic Ford industry. Our showroom is located in Mansfield, Brisbane, but we deliver parcels nationwide and internationally. This year, Richie, the manager at Mustang Auto Parts, embarked on a mission to restore a tired old 1970 XW Falcon 500 that had obviously been sitting in a paddock for several years. The old Falcon was in need of a new lease on life, and over the last few months, we've been restoring the body to its former glory. We have been covering the progress on our blog, which you can find on our website. We have detailed everything from the sandblasting to plating, brakes, and even covered the planned running gear. After extensive paint and panel works, we have finally taken delivery of the painted shell. It's now time to showcase the amazing bodywork, and we felt the only way to do this magnificent car justice would be a video feature. Let's take a look at the restored XW Falcon in all its Teal Glow Glory. This is the first of many videos to come from Mustang Auto Parts. Stay tuned, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.